The Saab 95 key fob, used from 1997 to 2010, requires a CR2032 battery. To begin, locate the small slot or seam on the fob, usually between the key blade and remote buttons. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this slot. Gently pry open the case. The two halves of the fob case snap together, so be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, you'll have access to the battery compartment. Remember, safety first. Lithium batteries should be handled carefully and recycled responsibly. With the fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive side, marked with a plus symbol on the battery and circuit board, should face up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is in the same position as the old one. Snap the fob case back together firmly until it's completely closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it locks and unlocks the car remotely. If it doesn't work, check the battery orientation or clean any corrosion with isopropyl alcohol. In most cases, no programming is needed after a battery replacement.